Narayana Ram, Ram Narayana Ram, Guru Kripahi Kevalam. When a great soul appears on the face of the earth, then the signs of the advent of the great divine power to emerge. The advent of the virtualist in the world had been foretold long ago in the scriptures, sacred texts, and the saying of great souls. In medieval India appeared Mahaprabhu Gauranga Dev, the pioneer of the world's first mass revolutionary civil disobedience. He brought a new awakening to Indian public life, literature, and religion. Incarnation of love, Gauranga Dev could not complete his vast mission. Sri Gauranga Dev had prophetically told his maternal uncle Vishnudas Chakraborty, 13th generation from today, I shall return again in the maternal lineage in the form of a nephew. Ram Narayana Ram, Ram Narayana Ram, Guru Kripahi Kevalam.